Months-long speculation over the price of red meat in Turkey by markets has sparked an extraordinary hike in prices, an issue yet to be addressed by the authorities. The price of red meat has seen a 23% jump over the past 12 months as supply problems amid the country's growing agricultural productivity weakness hit the markets. Earlier this week, Turkey's Meat and Milk Institution, ESK, announced a 5% cut in the price of red meat sold at ESK sales points across the country. Consumers, however, complained that meat prices remain still high and that the government should provide extra incentives to relieve the price crisis. The ESK has the authority to intervene in meat market in times of price speculation, but similar attempts in the past have failed to yield the desired outcome. Market experts say the problem is structural and that the government must focus on addressing problems faced by local livestock breeders, including high input costs. Demand for red meat has steadily grown in Turkey because the product is a key element in traditional cuisine. In 2009, the government intervened in the price of meat by issuing import licenses for foreign red meat and livestock. Cheaper livestock from abroad had pushed down domestic red meat prices for a limited time, and Turkey imported $3.22 billion worth of red meat between June 2010 and January 2013. The capacity of stock breeders has fallen remarkably this year. While Turkey was previously able to raise 6 million livestock a year, this figure currently stands between 2 and 3 million. The government said last Friday that it would monitor food prices, which are rising above general inflation, and take the necessary measures to ease the budget burden on Turkish households. An Economic Coordination Council meeting chaired by Interim Prime Minister Ahmet Davutoglu focused on meat prices, a statement by the Prime Minister's office said. However, it was not immediately clear what measures would be taken against the rising cost of food. In an inflation report released by the Central Bank of Turkey earlier this week, meat costs were blamed for the high food prices pushing inflation up. The government is struggling to hit its 5% inflation target for the year. Turkey's consumer prices edged up by 0.09% month-on-month in July, the Turkish Statistics Institute, Turkstat, said last week, also showing that consumer prices had risen 6.81% year-on-year.